Hey everyone, my name is Jennifer and welcome back to A Vintage Vanity, and I am super excited about this video because not only am I showing you this amazing hair tutorial, but also some of you guys are going to be able to see this hair in person. I know! If you live in the London area, I will be in London from November 3rd to the 11th, and I am currently working with this amazing location in London called Cahoots to do a meetup. Now, I don't have the exact date yet, but as soon as I do, I will place that information in the description box below, and I will also put it out on my social media page. So if you don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook, do so. That's where you will get all the details for the time and the date for that. And again, that's going to be Cahoots in London, which is a 1940s themed bar. So how amazing. And I am going to be bringing some little, I don't know, American goodies with me. So if you show up, you're going to get some of that. Super excited. You know what else is also exciting? I got to take over How to Be Fancy's YouTube channel, and I will place a card up on the screen. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and take a look at that because I transformed into the evil queen and I wreaked havoc. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. If you click that subscribe button, you will be notified when new videos are posted, because let's just say my upload schedule is not real regular right now, but we're working on it. But I am going to stop with the chitter chatter and show you guys how I created this look. Setting pattern was an overnight wet set where I used two different sizes of foam rollers. This one from end to end is about 1.5 inches. This one from end to end is about 1 inch. I did all my rollers on the top going back and everything else going under. I used all the big rollers in front and the remaining little ones in back. I do use a hairnet when I sleep because, quite frankly, otherwise they will all fall out. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove all my rollers. The setting lotion I used was Lindy Charm School's Essential Setting Lotion. I believe they call it a rocket fuel. We've got some curls. Now, I will leave a card on the screen for my video all about doing an overnight wet set in case you need help with that. I'm just simply breaking the curls apart a little bit. Oh, rogue roller. And now the fun begins. We're going to brush these out. I am using my Denman 7-row bristle brush. You don't need a Denman. You just need one that has stiffer bristles on it to actually brush through the curls themselves. Another rogue one. It's like I'm a magician right now, just pulling, too bad it's not $1 million bills out from my hair. Because most vintage styles kind of have that halo of curls, I am brushing all my curls to the bottom of the hair, and don't be afraid of brushing the curls out. Wet sets are one of the strongest curl sets you're going to get. I do brush the ends of the hair up against my hand to help minimize any frizz. Now I'm going to take my precious gold right here, my Lady Luck Smoothing Serum, which is almost gone. And I'm just going to rub that between my palms and place it all over the hair, starting at the ends of the hair. This is going to help smooth the hair down, provide some shine, but also there's a lot of really great enriching oils in here, and especially if you have color treated hair, it provides a lot of moisture to the ends of that hair. Tragedy has occurred because my fabulous teasing brush broke, so I'm still actually using like this, but it makes it hard to like back comb and tease the hair. So I've actually been using my Lady Luck comb because it has a nice rat tail on the end, and the tines. Do combs have tines? I know forks do. Teeth. I think they're teeth. They have packed in a lot of teeth into the comb itself, which is very helpful in back combing because you know that's coming. All right, so I'm just going to part the hair. We're gonna do it. How are we gonna do it? We gonna do it that deep? Yeah, we're gonna do a real deep part. We're gonna part just past the corner of the forehead. No, we almost always go with the corner of the forehead, but you know what? I'm feeling weird today. I'm feeling, gotta break out of the norm. I've got a long day ahead of me, and I want this style to really kind of stay. So I'm going to back comb the hair on this side, just taking not super thin sections, but thinnish sections of hair, and just concentrating that back combing and teasing right at the base of the hair to give it some lift. You can give it a spritz of hair. Yeah, hairspray. I am using Organics Honey Hold Mega Hairspray. Really been liking this because it is hard to find cruelty-free hairsprays at the drugstore, and ones that don't cost a gazillion dollars. So yeah, I'm really liking that one. Yeah, that's right. We're doing it back here. I don't use mirrors for this just because I ain't got time for that. I just feel my way around back here, take sections, and again, back comb right at the base of the hair. How am I doing? Am I doing okay? Does it look horrible? Probably does. And I do this about halfway down the head so I don't tease all the hair. That spritz as well. You know, part of me thinks I should do like a blind no mirror hair tutorial. I think I would do okay. Now, for the crown area, I'm going to be a little bit more strategic. I'm going to take smaller sections of, or thinner sections of hair, and I am still going to back comb right at the base, but I'm going to go up the strand of hair a lot more. You basically want to see if you can almost get it to stand on its own. Whew. So basically, from that corner to this corner, and then for this section of hair, I kind of do the same thing I did from this side. I just am going to tease at the base of the hair. Here's the thing. As crazy as it is, the teasing and the back combing is really going to be what helps us to mold the hair, because the hair is all married together. It's all one big happy family, and it's going to work together in harmony. So now, to bring that harmony to, this is like a dysfunctional family after Thanksgiving. So we're going to bring it down to, we've eaten all the turkey and now we're sleepy, right? So this is where my broken teasing brush comes from. And the reason why I like this is because it is packed full with a lot of bristles, and they are soft and flexible, which means that it's not going to comb through the back combing and it's not going to get stuck in the hair. But what it will do is it will smooth the outside of the hair and will help us start to mold it. I'm just calming it all down. Eat the turkey, get sleepy. I'm going to start when I'm brushing this over. I am going to kind of push it back up so we're getting more height out of that, so we're not combing it completely flat. And then I'm going to hold on to where that height is and brush the hair so I don't pull the height out of the hair. Okay, for the ends of the hair, if you're struggling with a broken brush, as I am, or it's looking real frizzy and not great, you can grab hold of the ends and you can use your stronger bristled brush to kind of go through that to smooth out the ends. Doing that to the back as well, pushing all the curls down to the end. I've always found one of the easiest way to kind of brush through the ends of the hair is kind of grab a bunch of it together and brush it all up against the hand. Now what that's going to end up doing is doing some kind of more uniform curls, at which time, because you've kind of gotten the frizz out and you're left with more of the fluff, you can break the curls apart. Now I'm going to use a little bit of my Lady Luck hair pomade and smooth that into the palms of my hands. And I'm going to go around the hairline. And then I'm going to start to just kind of work it into the hair that we've already nicely brushed. It's going to weigh down some of those errant hairs, make it look a little smoother. Perfect. I'm going to give it a hairspray, and when it's still wet, I'm running my hands over it. Again, strategically breaking up some curls, breaking some of those relationships up, you know. Key things with hairspraying, make sure that you're hairspraying underneath the hair as well, and not just on the top of it. Now I'm just using nature's combs to work the hair into the position I would want it to be. And that is looking good. And what you can even do at this point is use some clips or bobby pins to kind of lock the hair in place as you work through the rest of the hair, because you're doing it kind of in stages as you go down. So, and I'm going to give it a spray. Then for the rest of the hair, I am going to use a little bit of my pomade. And I will place links in the description to all the products I'm using today. And again, just breaking up curls with my fingers to fluff them out and give them a little bit more volume. Now that everything is kind of brushed out, I'm going to remove my clips because I really like the way this has kind of this indent here, this little bit of a wave. I'm going to work with my karate chop, the karate method, you know, of hairstyling, and really kind of work into that wave. And there we go. I hope you guys really enjoyed this hair tutorial. As always, I love hearing from you guys, so in the comments section below, let me know what you thought of today's hair tutorial, and also let me know what your favorite like brush, comb, or brush is. If you like seeing hair tutorials on this channel, go ahead and click the like button. As well as if you're worried about missing this face between YouTube uploads, you know, go ahead and follow me on the social medias. Follow me on the Instagrams and the Facebooks. And of course, you can always go back and watch my last video. And if you want to shop my clothing line, go ahead and click on that amazing little boomerang right there. And as always, these videos could not be made without the support of my Patreon. So thank you guys so much for your continued support. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye!